Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I want to take a minute real quick and show you a really nice and cool upgrade for a Trekboxx Alpha, specifically in this case in a 200 series Toyota Land Cruiser. What you're looking at is a Chiron Remote emergency kit. This kit is specifically mounted to the top of the Trekboxx Alpha shelf with neodymium magnets. So you have 25 pounds of resistance per magnet. The magnets are inset with opposite polarity inside the Trekboxx itself. Kind of show you how those are set in there. And then basically this shelf is sold by Trekboxx and made for the Chiron Remote kit. This particular shelf can be ordered from David if you had an existing system and you just wanted to upgrade to a shelf that's going to have the inset magnets for the Chiron Remote kit. So the kit basically just you'll set it on the shelf itself and then just kind of line that up till you hear it click in, and then it's set to go. The point of it being located in this location is so that you can have a nice, strong connection to the car without having to be strapped in. So in an emergency, it would be ready to go. If you need to grab it out of the vehicle for whatever reason, it's right there. It's near the exterior door, and you don't have to go looking for it or moving items out of the vehicle or unstrapping anything. The Chiron Remote kit is essentially developed by a veteran company that has extensive military and medical experience, and it'll be organized in a fashion so that all your highest priority items are going to be towards the top. You would get a custom YouTube video explaining exactly how everything works, what it's designed for, what you may need something for, and then of course a packing list for replenishment. If you guys like this, the information for Chiron Remote and Trekboxx is in the comments below. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.